In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this 100-foot of 850-pound paracord. Believe it or not, this little tiny 4mm cord right here can hold 850 pounds of breaking strength on this. This is 100% nylon. You know, it's ultra strong, durable, 32 strands of a sheath type structure on there. So it's basically woven up strands, and that's where it gets its kind of like strength from, is all that 11 core yarns. You can see it right here. If you're like me, and you know, I use paracord for a wide variety of stuff, whether it's when I do camping or I run guidelines on my hammocks or something like that, or maybe even tying off something real quick, maybe something on the back of a trailer or something like that. You see how it unrolls right here? Let me go ahead and cut a piece of this and let me show you what the inside looks like. So I went ahead and cut the outer sheath, and I didn't cut it all the way through because I wanted to show you guys how these strands work. So this is actual true traditional paracord. See how all of these nylon strands are lined up in there, and then there's a sheath on top of it right there, and that's what gives it kind of like its full-on structure. And it was really tough to cut. Either my knife is super dull or this is very tough. This is something I recommend for anyone that just needs an affordable paracord for pretty much any type of job. So yeah, and this comes in all different sizes. You know, I think you can get it up to 500 feet if you really want to. And this is from the company Thadavo. Maybe is how you would say that. I don't know how to say that. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, 100-foot, 850-pound paracord. See you all in the next video.